How to contact Shopify Live Customer Service 2024 quick tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be quickly going through and talking about how you can use Shopify's very own customer service and how you can go ahead and contact them in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So we're going to be talking about it in great depth and great detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to start things off with the actual contacting of the customer service, what you are going to want to do is you're obviously going to come over to your Shopify page. Okay, it's going to look somewhat like this. And over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to contact customer support in very simplistic and easy ways. Now, you can obviously go ahead and log in with your Shopify account and do this. And to do this from there is also pretty simple. You're going to click on your account. And once you click on your account, you can obviously go into the Help Center. Now, once you go to a Help Center, you can also go ahead and reach a Shopify partner. Okay. Now, you can hire one, but obviously that's the hiring stuff. So I'm not going to get into that. I'm going to stay over here and it's going to basically bring us to the Shopify Help Center. Okay, now while you're over here, what it's going to do is you can obviously go to contact support and to get support, you can ask the people in the actual support section. So you can even ask their AI assistant anything if you want to go ahead with it, but obviously, I'm going to go ahead and in here, I'm going to come to a new tab and write contact Shopify support. Okay, I'm going to write that. And once you write that, it's going to open this up. So it says contact Shopify support. You're going to open that right up. Obviously, it's going to bring us to this support section over here. Now, you're going to go to 24/7 support. Now, it's going to open this up for you. So you can go into any support section you want, anything you want support to. So let's say I want support to online stores, okay? I'm going to open that up. And here it's going to give me all these things and all. But if you want to get more in detail help, what you can do is you can ask their assistant anything. You can ask the actual assistant that they have and let them know what you want, let them know what you're here for. But yeah, as I stated, this is how you're going to access the help center. And to get into the live chat, you can also come here and search for live chat. And as you can see, it's going to give us different live chats over here to talk about, but the main live chat is here on the right side where they've actually assisted an AI to help you. So yeah, that is basically how you can go ahead and, contact Shopify Live Customer Service in 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.